Hi everyone, it's Logan Sadler from Ruggieri Financial, your local financial advisor. In this video, we're going to talk about life insurance. Really, in today's world, there really are so many different types of life insurance policies out there that all have different bells and whistles and may be useful in your situation. Today, what I want to talk about is the different types of policies and just kind of a short overview of how they can kind of fit each situation. Okay, so let's talk about term life insurance. Term life insurance can be very useful to some of the younger ones who are looking for the most affordable option and getting the most coverage. Okay, term tends to be a little bit cheaper, and you get it with why it's called term is you have 10, 20, 30-year terms where the life insurance is good for, and after that it lapses or you don't have life insurance anymore, or you can opt to convert your term or to get a longer term. So it does appeal to a lot of people who don't want to spend very much money in the life insurance. They just want to get the minimum amount of payment for the most amount of coverage. Term is typically the best way to go, especially if you're young, healthy. It tends to be very affordable. Next, you have some different ones like whole life insurance. Whole life insurance is a great one because it still is somewhat affordable depending on how old you are and your age and your health and all that stuff. But really, what whole life is best for is it is your whole life. It is a permanent life insurance. So if you get it in your 20s or 30s or 40s, it lasts as long as you keep up on the policy and keep paying. The life insurance keeps in force. It's a great way to pass on money because a lot of people are worried they're going to maybe outlive their life insurance policy, their term life insurance policy. So whole life does do a great job of making sure it does last more than a term does. Okay, so that's where you want to look into the whole life policy. And next we have universal life insurance. Some people are really just looking for more out of their life insurance. They're looking for more than just a life insurance policy. They're looking to maybe diversify some money away from the stock market. And the universal life insurance can be a great way to do that with an investment and life insurance kind of working in one there. So universal life insurance is more of a retirement vehicle. It does do a very good job. It has some decent performing indexes. So again, it diversifies you a little bit away from having to worry about market volatility. Fixed index universal life. And how that works is you put X amount of money in either monthly. These work really great when you do it monthly and you're younger and you want to keep adding to something. And or if you have one lump sum you'd like to dump in there if you're in your 50s, 60s, or whatever the case may be, you want to do one lump sum in there. It really jumpstarts that policy and gives you, number one, gives you a death benefit. And number two, they actually have some pretty decent income options down the road as far as drawing income out of those. And how that works is typically that money comes out tax-free, which again we're big fans of here. Tax-free money in retirement can be a huge option, to be a huge asset to you and your overall portfolio, especially when it comes down to drawing out income. So those are really the three main types that you see most common: whole life, universal life, and term life. Again, they all kind of have their different bells and whistles to them. It can be more beneficial. There's a lot of controversy over which one's better. It really depends on what you're looking to do. Again, if you're looking for some of those different options there as far as you're looking for more of an income vehicle in retirement, obviously I think the universal life with building cash value can be a better tool down the road to produce income. If you're looking for the cheap and affordable option, you want to look for a good term life. Really, you want to make sure you're in something that is best for what you're trying to accomplish. Really, what it comes down to for life insurance, people ask me, why do you need life insurance? Well, really, what it's for is if something were to happen to you, it protects your family. Okay, what it does is it allows you to allows your spouse to either pay off your house or give you some extra money for expenses to last a couple years to get that spouse back on their feet, help with childcare and all the other things that come up that we always don't like paying for that still come up no matter if we want them to or not. So that's where life insurance can really be really a big peace of mind to help protect you and your family when the unthinkable happens. Okay, if you're in the market and kind of looking for some life insurance, give Ruggieri Financial a call. We'd be happy to review your current policy and make sure you're properly covered, or we would also be happy to get you a new policy and get you all set up for the right one that fits what you're looking to do and make sure we're fitting that into your financial plan to make sure you're well-rounded and well-protected. Again, life insurance is one of those things, if you're thinking about it, go out and get it done. You don't want to wait on it too long. just in case something were to happen to your health and stuff like that. You want to make sure when you're thinking about it, get it done, get it off your plate, and move on. Okay. So if you're thinking about it all, give Ruggieri Financial a call. Be happy to answer any questions on life insurance and some of the get more into depth with you as far as which one, different bells and whistles on which one would be better for you. As always, we hope you're staying safe and doing well. If you guys need anything, give Ruggieri Financial a call. Look forward to talking with you all soon. Thank you.